In this video, I'm going to share with you some areas of hotel floor cleaning for the guest room. You ready? Let's go. Welcome, I'm Malachi Simmons Jr. and this is Hotel Soldier, with a mission to provide you all things hotel to your front lines. On this channel, I give you 3 eyes, which is information, instructions, and interviews. Information on all things in the hotel industry, instructions on various tasks in the hotel industry, and interviews with individuals associated with the hotel industry. Now, if you're new to Hotel Soldier and you want to see this video and other videos like this video, hit on the red subscribe button at the bottom, along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier. Hotel floor cleaning is a routine task to get the hotel ready before the guest arrives. Now in this video, we're only going to concentrate on the floor room cleaning inside the guest room. Let me show you some areas of hotel floor cleaning for the guest room. So the first area we want to talk about is hard surfaces. Now your hard surfaces can be linoleum, tile, hardwood floors. They could be your hard surfaces in hotels. Now the first thing you want to do with your hard surfaces, you want to get up all the debris, basically. So you want to use either a dust mop or a broom just to get all the debris in one area, sweep it up with a dustpan and get like a little brush and get all your areas with a dust mop or a broom. Now, I've already swept the area with a dust mop and also a broom. So the next thing would be to do is just to tidy up a little bit is use a vacuum. Use the wand off the vacuum to get all the edges up, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now that we already took the wand off the vacuum and got all the edges, now it's time to apply the chemical or the cleaner to the floor. Now, this particular cleaner right here is a floor cleaner. Now you see it's indicated with an orange top. Now, not all hotels use an orange top, but however, this particular time, this orange top is indicating this is a floor cleaner so we don't get it mixed up with other cleaners. Also in the hotel, always make sure that you're using the approved chemical by the company, by the owner itself, because you don't want to get in trouble once again for using a bad chemical. So this is actually a floor cleaner. I'm gonna spray it on the floor. Then I'm gonna go behind it with a mop. Maybe a little damp, a little bit, just to grab the surfaces and go ahead and spread the chemical all over the floor to actually clean the floor. you gotta do is just let it sit and dry, and you got a good clean surface. So the next area we're gonna take a look at is carpet and using the vacuum. Now the next area we're going to talk about in hotel floor cleaning is using the vacuum the carpet of the hotel guest room floor. Now, real simple, easy process. Basically, you take the power cord, plug it in the wall, use the hotel vacuum, go over the entire hotel guest room floor until the whole entire floor is clean. Real simple. Now, to learn more about using the hotel vacuum, watch my hotel vacuum video. Now, that's the last step usually a housekeeper does before they leave the room. You know, they clean the bathroom, wipe everything down, take the trash out, vacuum the floor, leave the room. That's the last step usually a housekeeper does. But it's actually the first step in another area we'll take a look at, which is clean the carpet of the hotel guest room using a carpet cleaning machine. Here's a single unit carpet cleaning machine. And the reason I say single unit carpet cleaning machine is because some hotels have these big, huge industrial carpet cleaning machine, or they have a carpet cleaning machine with a machine on one side, a machine on the other side is one big, huge unit to clean the carpets. This is a simple single unit carpet cleaning machine. Really fairly easy to use. Up on top, you got a lever with a red activation switch to activate the actual carpet cleaning machine. You have a power button right here on top. A power cord. Stick an outlet, provides power to the carpet cleaning machine. Also, you have a lever in the middle, so you can fold the handle, so you can transport it from point A to point B. Also, you have this clean water tank that holds the carpet cleaning chemical. So, carpet cleaning chemical, clean water, goes down to the base of the carpet cleaning machine, hits the floor with the water, also with the carpet cleaning chemical. It sucks up with this higher power vacuum and brushes on the bottom all the dirt and debris and the dirty water, and it goes back into the machine into this tank in the front, which is a dirty water tank. Now this dirty water tank has a button right here, so you can attach it so you can empty the dirty water tank. Now the clean water tank also has a button right here, so you can fill it. Let's go fill the clean water tank. Now it's time to get our water and our chemical ready for our carpet cleaning machine. So on the directions, it says use 1 gallon of hot water with 4 ounces of the chemical. So we're gonna run our water until it gets hot. And right before we get to the end, we're going to add our chemical to the 1 gallon of hot water. Now we're going to add our 1 gallon of chemical with the 4 ounces to our tank, our clean water tank. Now we're going to attach our clean water tank back to our carpet cleaning machine. Let's go. I already attached the clean water tank back to the carpet cleaning machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the power button, find the area of the carpet, clean. I'm going to hit the activation switch and I'm going to slowly pull back the carpet cleaner machine to grab the debris off the floor. Then I'm going to find another area of the carpet and slowly pull back the carpet cleaner machine to grab the debris off the floor. Let's go do that. So the method is to repeat the pattern over and over again until the entire carpet and entire room is clean. Hard surfaces, vacuuming the hotel guest room carpet, and cleaning the hotel guest room carpet. And those are the areas for the hotel floor cleaning for your guest room. Hotel floor cleaning is a routine task to get the hotel guest room ready before they arrive. Make sure to click the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, click on the red subscribe button along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier, with a mission to invite you all things hotel to your front lines.